Today I'm going to take you around two Oceanview cabins. One is a regular and the other is deluxe. I'm just wondering, would you pay the difference in these two cabins for the extra space and an extra shower room? Let us know in the comments below. So this is cabin 1116. It's just the opposite hand to our cabin, but very much the same. We're in Southampton at the moment. Same wardrobe there, and again a bank of wardrobes there. Oh, you can't see in here because the lights aren't working. So this is a deluxe Oceanview cabin. Again, it's the same layout, except this is the extra shower room in the deluxe Oceanview. So it's got a separate sink and the full shower, what the regular cabins have. It also has a lot more wardrobes and the one next to the bed as well. And then it has a regular bath. It's probably about a 3/4 bath. A lot more wardrobes than the regular cabins. Thanks for watching this video comparing the regular Oceanviews with the deluxe. If you want to see an Oceanview which has more detail, please click the link above and we'll show you around our cabin.